Rosemary is not subtle. It is confident, aromatic, and unmistakable. The moment rosemary enters a room, it announces itself. Sharp, pine-like, slightly bitter, and deeply earthy. Few herbs carry such a strong identity, and even fewer have remained relevant for thousands of years without changing who they are. Botanically, rosemary is Salvia rosmarinus, formerly known as Rosmarinus officinalis. It belongs to the mint family, Lamiaceae, but it behaves nothing like mint. Instead of softness, rosemary offers structure. Instead of sweetness, intensity. Rosemary is native to the Mediterranean region. Its name comes from Latin, meaning dew of the sea. This refers to its natural habitat along coastal cliffs, where salty air, sun, and poor soil shape its resilience. This environment defines rosemary's chemistry. Harsh conditions concentrate essential oils in its needle-like leaves. These oils are the source of its powerful aroma and flavor. Historically, rosemary was never just food. Ancient Greeks associated it with memory and intellect. Students wore rosemary garlands while studying. Romans used it in religious ceremonies. Medieval Europe burned it to purify air and ward off illness. In many cultures, rosemary symbolized remembrance. It appeared at weddings and funerals alike. Love and loss shared the same herb. Culinarily, rosemary is bold. It does not blend quietly. It stands its ground. This is why it pairs best with strong foods. Lamb, beef, poultry, potatoes, root vegetables, olive oil, garlic, and bread. Fresh rosemary is intensely aromatic. Dried rosemary becomes even more concentrated, woody, and sharp. This makes dosage critical. Too much overwhelms. The right amount defines a dish. Heat unlocks rosemary's flavor. Its oils dissolve into fats, infusing dishes slowly. This is why rosemary thrives in roasting, braising, and slow cooking. Unlike delicate herbs, rosemary tolerates long cooking times. It does not collapse. It persists. Texturally, rosemary leaves are tough. They are rarely eaten whole unless finely chopped. Often, rosemary is infused and removed, leaving behind aroma rather than texture. Nutritionally, rosemary is small in quantity but dense in compounds. It contains antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid. These compounds have been studied for anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Traditionally, rosemary was used medicinally. Teas, oils, and extracts treated digestion issues, muscle pain, and fatigue. While modern medicine reframes these uses, the historical role remains significant. Rosemary's scent has neurological impact. Studies suggest its aroma may enhance alertness and memory. Whether placebo or chemistry, the association persists. Agriculturally, rosemary is a survivor. It prefers poor soil, full sun, and minimal water. Overcare weakens it. Neglect strengthens it. This resilience made rosemary a staple in ancient gardens. It did not demand resources. It gave flavor in return. Visually, rosemary is architectural. Upright woody stems, needle leaves, small blue-purple flowers. It looks intentional, even wild. In modern kitchens, rosemary bridges tradition and innovation. It appears in classic roasts and modern infusions, cocktails, oils, and even desserts. Yet rosemary never becomes trendy. It remains timeless. The most common mistake with rosemary is excess. More does not mean better. Precision matters. Another mistake is ignoring freshness. Old dried rosemary loses complexity and becomes bitter. Quality defines outcome. Rosemary is not background flavor. It is character flavor. It does not adapt to you. You adapt to it. Rosemary teaches restraint, respect, and patience. When used correctly, it elevates. When misused, it dominates. This is why rosemary has survived civilizations. It never compromises its identity.